I'm gonna show you what makes these fans different from everything else. So this is a Unifan AL120. You can get it in white or black. The nice thing about these fans, it has RGB both in the front as well as the back. And there's no ugly stickers in the back. They look great from the back in case you wanted to use them as exhaust fans. Now you can buy a single fan or you can buy a pack of 3. I recommend buying the pack of 3 because it comes with this. This is the RGB and fan controller that's gonna help you to make connecting everything easy on your computer gaming build. So with this one controller, you can handle up to 16 fans. Wow, that's a lot. So each set of connections here can handle up to 4 Unifan AL120s daisy chained. And let me show you how easy it is to connect up these fans. I mean, it's really incredible. So as we see here, we have these pins that are gonna align and lock into place and connect up the Unifans together, and it makes it super simple. So here we go. We're gonna connect these up together. So you're just gonna line it up like this, and then you're gonna push forward, and there we go. We have 2 connected together. Great. Now let's add a third. And there we go, done. You can even connect a 4th one. That's amazing. So think about it. Each one of these fans would have required 2 cables coming out of it, one for the RGB and one for controlling the fan. But look how easy this is. Once you have all your fans connected, you're just gonna insert this little tab here with these contact pads, as you see right here, and you're just gonna slide it in. Just like that, and you heard the snap there, that means it's connected. Now you only have these 2 cables that you need to connect up to the controller right here. I'm telling you guys, this is super easy. So as you can see here, you can have 4 banks of fans. Each bank can handle 4 daisy chain fans. So we're gonna go ahead and connect it up to number 1 right here. So all you do is go ahead and take your first cable, and we line up the one that has 3 pins with the plug that can also handle 3 pins, and just insert all the way here. And if you ever need to pull it out, you just press down on this tab right here and pull it out. It's super easy. And now you're gonna connect the other one. It does have these little tabs in the bottom so you don't connect it the wrong way. So you're gonna go ahead and insert it, easy, just like that. And both cables are inserted. Now, with these fans connected to one controller, the controller can control the RGB and the fan speed on all these fans just from here using the Lian L Connect software. And if you have more fans to connect, just rinse and repeat, do the same thing, connect up your fans and connect your 2 cables to the next bank here on this Lian controller. Now this Lian controller has 3 things you need to plug. Now the one that you see connected already here is gonna plug up to your motherboard onto a USB 2 header. So you just go ahead and hook that up to one of the USB 2 headers on your motherboard and you'll be good to go there. The next thing you'll need to plug is your SATA power. So you're gonna go ahead and plug this one in on the left side here, just like that. And then you connect this into a SATA power cable coming from your computer's power supply. Finally, you have this cable here that's gonna connect up the RGB and the fan control to your motherboard. So you're gonna go ahead and connect this up right here, and it's a 3-pin connector. Just like that, it's inserted. And so you're gonna connect this cable here on the left to your motherboard's ARGB header port. And then this one on the right, you're gonna go ahead and connect it up to your fan control header on your motherboard. And that's it, folks. It's that easy. As you can see here, you have minimal wiring, and then you just use the included screws to screw them onto your computer case or radiator. And so that's it. This is the best and easiest way to add RGB fans to your computer build. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.